Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home and also studying well. Today, we are going to learn verbs or doing words or action words. Verbs are action words or doing words. They tell us what a person, an animal, or a thing does. Okay? So, verbs are all the work we do. All the work that we do are known as verbs. Now, let us go through some examples of verbs. See, here are some of the words which represent verbs. These all words are called verbs or action words. They show us what the action is performed, like play, drink, talk, give, swim, cook, take, teach, read, eat, fly, write, sit, cry, sing, stand, go, run, jump, look, see, cook, walk, sleep. So, all these words are action words. Now, children, let us go through some rules which we have to follow when using verbs or action words in a sentence. If we are using verbs for a group of people, suppose we, they, the children, Arun and Seema, more than one person, then we use the simple form of verb. Like we play, they play, the children play, Arun and Seema play. So, when more than one person is there or group of people is there, then we will use the simple form of verb. But for a single person, as he, she, the child, any name, Arun, Seema, it, here a single person is there. In this case, we will use the S form of verb. He plays, she plays, the child plays, Arun plays, Seema plays, it plays. So here we will use S along with the verb. Okay? Now look, here I have given two more examples. I play, you play. Here I and you are single person. I means myself, you means you, a single boy or a single girl. But for I and you, we don't use the S form of verb. We use the simple form of verb. I play, you play. We don't say I plays, you plays. Okay? So remember this. Whenever we will make the sentence, we have to remember this rule. Okay, children? Now let's go to another slide. See, here again I have given some examples. I have formed some sentences for you to make you understand. See the first two sentences. I play in the park, you play in the park. Here I have used the simple form of verb along with I and you. Okay? But and with we, they, the children, Arun and Seema, again here I have used the simple form of verb. We play in the park, they play in the park. The children play in the park, Arun and Seema play in the park. But for the single person, he, she, the child, Arun, Seema, for these sentences, we have to use Plays, S form of the verb. He plays in the park. She plays in the park. The child plays in the park. Arun plays in the park. Seema plays in the park. Here, Arun and Seema both are in different sentences. Arun as a single person and Seema as a single person. So, here we have used S form of verb. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Now, let's go to another slide. See, this is exercise 1. Till now, I think you all have understood what are verbs, and you can identify the verbs from the group of words. So, here I have given the exercise for you. Underline the verbs. Here, the group of words are given from which you have to identify the verbs and you have to underline them. First, let's read out all the words. Boy, play, tea, walk, jump, apple, pencil, run, box, sit, see, hat, sun, cow, stand, drink, bus, bee, teach, sing, bark, sleep, talk, mother. So here there are a group of words in which we have to identify which are verbs or doing words or action words. So I have done this for you so that you can understand. See here. Here some of the words, they are underlined and they are dark in color. All these words are action words. Let us read all the underlined words. Play, walk, jump, run, sit, see, cry, drink, teach, sing, bark, sleep. So all these words are action words or doing words or verbs. Okay children, I hope you all have understood. Now let's go to the another slide. See, exercise 2. Here I have given you some sentences and you have to underline the verbs in these sentences. Let us read first all these sentences. He plays football. I eat an ice cream. My mother cooks food. They read books. Children drink milk. Birds fly in the sky. She draws a picture. Pihu jumps into the pool. So here we have to identify which are the verbs and we have to underline them. So children, I have done it for you. See, he plays football. Here plays is a verb. It is underlined and it is red in color. I eat an ice cream. Eat is a verb. My mother cooks food. Cooks is a verb. They read books. Read is a verb. Children drink milk. Drink is a verb. Birds fly in the sky. Fly is a verb. She draws a picture. Picture is a verb. Pihu jumps into the pool. Jumps is a verb. So children, I hope you all have understood the verbs and you will able to identify them easily. Okay, keep on practicing children. Bye bye. Thank you.